Hello viewers, I am Mohit Malhotra and associated Daily. So today I would be talking about the Affordable Care Act (ACA) 2010, which is also known as Obamacare. Is a comprehensive healthcare reform law in the United States. It aims to increase the access to healthcare, expand coverage, and introduce consumer protections. While ACA has been the subject of various legal challenges. So the first one is national. So the first case law is National Federation of Independent Business versus Syllabus 2012. This landmark Supreme Court case addressed the constitutionality of the individual mandate provision of the ACA. The court upheld the mandate as a valid exercise of Congress taxing power, but clarified the state could not compel to expand Medicaid under the ACA. The second case is Burwell versus Hobby Lobby Stores International Company 2014. In this Supreme Court case, the court considered whether closely held for profit corporations could be exempted from providing certain contraceptive coverage under the ACA based on religious objections. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, stating that the contraceptive mandate violated the Religious Freedom Restoration Act (RFRA). The third case is King versus Burwell. This Supreme Court case addressed the availability of premium tax credit under the ACA. The court ruled that individuals who purchased health insurance through the Federal Exchange were eligible for subsidies, even though the specific language of the law referred to the state-based exchanges. And the last but not the least is Texas versus United States 2018. This ongoing case challenges the constitutionality of the individual mandate provision of ACA following the passage of Tax Cuts and Job Act in 2017, which set the penalty for non-compliance with the mandate to $0. The case argues that the individual mandate is no longer a valid exercise of Congress taxing power, and therefore the entire ACA should be invalidated. So these case laws highlighted the key legal battles surrounding constitutionality, religious freedom, and subsidies of ACA. It is important to note that the legal landscape surrounding the ACA is continually evolving, and there may be additional cases also. So here viewers, I'll wind up this video, and if any one of you have any doubt regarding the same video, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.